Take advantage of these tips for effective affiliate marketing. If you're on the hunt for a profitable business opportunity, you might just be interested in affiliate marketing. It's simple enough to understand, but you would be surprised at just how many people get things wrong when marketing. Pay attention to the information in this video. It just might help choose your next business opportunity. If your products are less than reputable, it can cause a big dent in the profits you will bring in across time. Always make sure you research each supplier individually and don't sell anything in your name you wouldn't be comfortable with using yourself. One slip-up can put a permanent mark on your record and hurt your company a lifetime down the road. Gaining trust is an important factor to consider for successful affiliate marketing. One way to foster trust is to show a passion for your product. The more personality and excitement you show, the easier it will be to build a trusted following. Building something of a relationship with your visitors now will only boost your link potential in the future. Study and borrow ideas from other affiliate marketers in your niche. Visit your competitor's website, subscribe to their newsletter, and visit their blog. Take time to analyze how they are successfully managing to get sales. Once you have studied their techniques, try emulate them using your own affiliate links and watch your sales increase. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, discover the type of tracking software a company uses before you join their affiliate program. If the program does not track all of your sales, then you will not receive credit for all of the viewers that you refer to their company. Now, no amount of solid information can save your affiliate business on its own. It also takes the right actions by you, the business owner. Just remember that affiliate marketing is a legitimate business, and that you need to approach it as such. Failing to take it seriously and treating it as a gimmick will result in ultimate failure. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.